Let's solve few sums from exercise 4a. The first sum is indicate the following using plus or minus sign. So what we will see that with these which sign will come. First part is a gain of rupees 600. There is a gain. Gain means something coming. Means we will represent it by plus 600. Which sign comes here? Plus. A loss of rupees 7 means something minus from your pocket money, or you are losing something. A loss of rupees 7 means minus 7. Here comes sign minus. A deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means something coming in your account. Suppose you are depositing money in your account, something adding in your current money. So what we will do? What sign comes here? Plus. Here a withdraw of rupees 300. Withdrawal means you are taking something out from your account. Suppose you have 500 in the account and you are taking 300 out of that 500. Means here it's what sign comes? Minus 300. So the question is indicate all these using plus or minus sign. So with gain, plus sign comes, with loss, minus, deposit, plus, withdraw, minus. Now second question is mark minus 5 and 3 on the number line. So we know what is number line. First we draw the number line. So just plot integers, all positive and negative numbers on the number line. Here it comes 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So we have drawn the number line. In the middle it is 0. The distance should be same between consecutive numbers. So minus 5, mark minus 1. This is your minus 5. You can give it name A. 3. 3 is positive. It comes on the right side of the 0. We can mark it name. We can give this name 3 name B. So what is the question? Mark minus 5 and 3 on the number line. So A represents minus 5, B represents 3. 3 is positive. No sign is here. It means it is plus, positive number. Now look at the third question. Write 5 minus 7 minus 2 0 8 in the increasing order. So what is increasing order? In increasing order we write the numbers from smallest to biggest. So first smallest number comes. So in this sum we can see we have positive number, we have 0 and we have negative numbers also. And we know negative numbers are always smaller than positive number. Second, negative number is also smaller than 0. So it means these two numbers are smaller out of the given number. So now see, minus 7 is smaller or minus 2. Which comes first? Minus 7 or minus 2? So minus 7 is less than minus 2. So first number comes as minus 7. Then minus 2. Now what is left? 5, 0 and 8. Now which number comes? Yes, minus 2 is less than 0. Now 0 is less than further 5. 5 is less than further 8. So minus 7, minus 2, 0, 5 and 8 are in increasing order. Are in the increasing order. In the same way, we can do the sum of decreasing order. So what is the difference when we do the sum of decreasing order? In that, first we will take the biggest number. So biggest to smallest. This is the difference only. Now look at the fourth question. Using the number line, write the integer which is 5 more than minus 6. We want to write 5 more than minus 6 using number line. So let's draw number line first. We are going to draw number line. In the middle it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, positive number. On the right side of the 0, here it is positive number. So what is the question? 5 more than minus 6. So we stand here first, minus 6. What we want to do? Minus 5 more than minus 6. I just want to rub this for a moment. If we come to this side, minus 7. So minus 7 is less than minus 6. We want number more than minus 6. So minus 7 is not more than minus 6. So then we will move to right side. So 5 more than minus 6. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more than minus 6. मतलब 5 steps more than minus 6. What comes? Minus 1. So what comes? 5 more than minus 6 is minus 1. 5 more than minus 6 is minus 1. We will in the next video we will do the rules also. Next is 2 less than minus 3. So let's draw one new number line. Let's draw one new number line. In the middle it is 0, minus 1, minus 2. So again let's draw here. Let's draw new number line. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now the question is 2 less than minus 3. Now we are on minus 3. On which number we are? Minus 3. So which side we move? Right side or left side? Minus 3 less than 2 less than minus 3. But minus 2 is bigger than minus 3. So we cannot move to right side. We want 2 less than minus 3. So it is 1, 2. 2 less than minus 3 is minus 5. 2 less than minus 3 is minus 5. So we have represented 5 more than minus 6 and 2 less than minus 3 on the number line. Now look at this fifth question. Absolute value of minus 2. Now how can we write absolute? Absolute value can be written in these two lines. Absolute value can be written in these two lines with this minus 2. Absolute value of minus 2 is 2 only. The absolute value is always without sign, or you can say always positive. Whatever the number is in these two lines, its answer is always without sign. Absolute value of any number is always without sign, or you can say it is always positive. Find the value of minus 9. So this means we want to find the absolute value of what this symbol represents. We want to find the absolute value of minus 9. So it is 9 only without sign. Now look at the sixth question. Write 5 negative integers greater than minus 7. Write 5 negative integers greater than minus 7. Let's draw the number line again to understand this sum. Let's draw the number line. So in the middle it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So we want to write 5 negative integers greater than minus 7. So tell me, minus 7 or minus 8, we have these integers. So minus 8 is greater than minus 7? No. Minus 8 is less than minus 7. So which will be the greater integers than minus 7? So greater integers than minus 7 is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. The values on the right hand side. So we can say in the number line, on the right side of this number, all numbers are greater. On the left side, it is smaller numbers. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to write 5 only. So these are numbers minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, minus 3 are greater than minus 7. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.